Have you ever felt a deep connection with nature? Maybe a serene calm by the water, or a fierce energy when near a fire? Today, let's dive into the magical world of the four elements: earth, water, fire, and air, and explore how they're not just fundamental aspects of nature, but core to the practices of witchcraft. First, let's ground ourselves with earth. This element is all about stability, strength, and nourishment. It represents the physical realm and provides us with the foundation for our magical work. When I connect with earth in my rituals, I feel anchored, as if each grain of soil adds solidity to my intentions. Working with earth can involve anything from burying a piece of paper with written intentions to planting seeds that symbolize new beginnings. Moving fluidly to water, the essence of intuition and emotion. Water is cleansing, it's healing, and it adapts, just as we must. Have you ever watched a river and noticed how it flows around rocks, always finding a path forward? That's the kind of adaptability water teaches us. In rituals, using water can help manifest emotional healing and enhance psychic abilities. A simple practice is to charge water under the moonlight and use it to anoint yourself for purification. Igniting next with fire, the embodiment of transformation and energy. Fire can destroy, but it also creates, providing warmth and light. It's the spark that ignites our willpower and passion. When I light a candle for a spell, I'm not just seeing the flame. I feel its power, energizing my magical intentions, burning away all that no longer serves me. Fire rituals might include writing down what you wish to release from your life and safely burning the paper to set your intentions free. Finally, let's breathe in the essence of air. Air symbolizes knowledge, ideas, and communication. It's as free as our thoughts and as powerful as our words. When I work with air, it's often through the burning of incense or simply standing outside on a windy day, letting the breeze clear my mind. Air teaches us flexibility, reminding us that, like the winds, our paths can change direction, and that's perfectly okay. Why do we work with these elements in witchcraft? Because they teach us balance and respect for the natural world. They remind us of our own complex natures and help us align our energy with the universe. Each element brings its unique strength to our magical practice, enhancing our connection not only to nature, but to the deepest parts of ourselves. So whether you're casting spells, meditating, or simply seeking to live more harmoniously with the world around you, consider how earth, water, fire, and air might enhance your spiritual path. Remember, the power of these elements is not just in understanding them, but in living them. Embrace their energies and watch your magical practice and your life transform. Thank you for joining me on this mystical journey. Until next time, keep your magic strong and your spirit connected.